Well, happy Friday, everyone. My shifter finally came in. Took about 3.5 weeks, so just be ready for that, especially if you get a flat stick. I guess they have to customize it, whatever, but I finally got it. I opened the box, but I decided to wait and take the contents out. I'd film it for you guys in case you're curious as to what exactly you get and kind of the quality of the product. Once I finish this, I will do a quick kind of time-lapse install process of putting it in the Corvette and taking out the Hurst shifter, and then I'll do a comparison between the Hurst and the MGW, do a quick drive, see which one I like better, and at the end I will announce the winner of the Hurst shifter, so make sure you stick around for that. So let's go ahead and get into unboxing this guy. All right, so here we go. Now I've already done an MGW on my C6 and C7, so I'm pretty familiar with what you get. However, I've not done the flat sticks. I'm actually pretty excited to see that in person. So right here, you get a fun little sticker, of course, that's always exciting. Your little gasket for your lower box, some hardware, and you get an Allen wrench to fasten it down, which you'll see later in the install process. This is very pretty. I like this. The craftsmanship of MGW is pretty stellar. I've had no issues with them. Yeah, just great company to work with. Nice weight to it. See how that looks good. And the boot, I got a new boot too. I'll show you when I do the install. It's gonna go about right here. There's a little clip that goes over top of it. And I got a little ball shifter as well. So, yeah, cool. Here's the shifter. I got black, so the the red accents kind of works with the interior color I already have. And this is probably some hardware for the boot install, etc. I'll get into that more later. Yeah, this is a lower box kit. Cool, it's got some sound dampening and I guess heat shielding as well for the console area or the torque tube. This is your alignment tool, which I'll probably send this with whoever wins the Hurst so you can align your shifter. I think it's the same principle. Some more Dynamat in there. Oh, good, some Loctite, perfect. Cool, very nice machined lower box assembly. If I'm not mistaken, it sits in the console, assuming your driver's side, just like this. And then, yeah, this connects to your linkage that goes to your transmission right here. But yeah, very high quality, in my opinion. So cool, let's go to the car, start taking out that Hurst and throwing this guy in. All right, out here at the car now. It is incredibly cold in my garage. I think it's something like 22 degrees outside. I just turned the heater on. So hopefully, if and when you do this, your conditions are a little better than mine. But whatever, here we go. So this is the Hurst situation with the C6 knob, which I ordered. It's not an exact fit for a C6. It has a resin inside of it, so you can screw it on top of a C5 situation. I put some Loctite on it, so it's probably gonna be hard to come off. That's why the winner of the shifter is getting everything. So hope you like the C6 shifter. Now keep in mind, I did take about a 1/4 inch off the shaft of this one. So it's a little shorter than your stock Hurst. I didn't see a big difference. I thought it was a little too tall, but whatever. So just to give you a little reference point here of how it looks, the throws, it works just fine. On occasion, it was hard to get into 5th gear. It could just be an alignment issue. Again, I have no idea when this was installed. It could have been 2 years ago, 10 years ago. I don't know. Regardless, it's free to the winner, so congrats. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get everything off here and ready to take off. And I'll do a little time lapse of me replacing it. It's not too hard. All the tools required to do this job, I will put in the description. Keep in mind, if you're doing this on a stock situation, you're gonna need a few extra tools than what you see me using. The stock shift knob can be kind of a bear to get off, especially if you've never taken it off before. So just be ready for that fight. All right, so let me go ahead and get the new one swapped in. I'll give you my impressions of it, take it for a quick drive, announce the winner, and get you guys on your way. All right, well, it is in. I need to fart around the boot a little more, but I can deal with that another time. So I'm gonna finish getting this edited out to you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get cleaned up, take it for a little ride, show the winner what they're gonna get exactly, and then announce the winner. So far, it feels really nice, much smoother, but I won't know until I drive it. So let's do that now. All right, so I go to start the Corvette. It's dead. And of course I didn't back it in, so I had to push it out. It is cold as shit. And it's funny how much bigger a Mini looks next to a Corvette. It's kind of funny, I don't know. Anyways, getting this charged up real quick, and then we'll take it for a ride. All right, got the Vette started. I don't have my little head strap on, so I'm doing this kind of one-handed, driving a stick, but you get the idea. So far, so good. This feels a lot more proper. This feels great in the hand. It shifts beautifully. No issues at all. Feels sturdy, effortless, very stout. I'm not trying to say the hearse I'm giving away is like crap or anything. It's just I just prefer the MGW better over that shifter. And whoever wins that, I think, will have a lot of fun with it. I just like the overall feel of the MGW. That's some traffic coming. I'll do a little pull for you guys. God, it's cold. Holy cow. Well, I'm not going to do a pull because my car's still cold, but I really like the feel of this guy. It feels nice. I am very happy with it. So yeah, definitely recommend the MGW. And again, the hearse just might have been misaligned. You know, who knows how long it's been in there. A couple of the bolts are actually kind of loose, taking it apart. So, all right, I'm gonna go back to the house, show you guys what you're gonna get, and announce that winner. All right, so the winner is gonna get the Hurst shifter, of course, C6 knob, which you can take off, but be ready for a fight because it's locked tight on there pretty good. A red and black shift boot. the lower box because the M2W does not use it. Alignment tool just in case you need it, and 2 pieces left over of foam and Dynamat for my install, and the little gasket that goes to the lower box. Actually, you know what? Because you're gonna reuse your lower box, I probably won't even include this guy because there's no need for it because you're already gonna have it. But I don't know, we'll see. That's what you're gonna get, and coming up next is the winner. Started this contest, roughly 101 comments. I have them all in a spreadsheet corresponding to a number between, actually it's 97, 1 and 97. My wife is here. She does not want to be on camera. She looks beautiful, even though she just woke up. So, she has no idea what's going on. So I want you to pick a number between 1 and 97. She has no idea what any of this is, so it's fair.
24.
24?
Yeah.
All right, 24, you're the winner. I'll have your name in a second. All right, number 24, that is Deborah Windling. Good on you. You actually asked twice. I didn't increase your chances. You just happened to be 24 and asked twice, or comment twice. So yeah, if you have an Instagram, I will leave mine below. Hit me up on Instagram. I'll get your info and get that out to you. Congratulations. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I should have some more Corvette stuff out this week, so stay tuned. Later, guys.